When it comes to iconic sports cars, the Porsche 911 always steals the spotlight. In 2025, Porsche introduces the new 911 GTS, now with an even bolder design and cutting-edge technology. The front of the 2025 911 GTS has received some striking updates. The iconic round LED headlights now include advanced matrix technology for precise illumination. Meanwhile, the redesigned front bumper features larger air intakes, optimizing both aerodynamics and cooling. From the side, the signature aerodynamic silhouette is unmistakable. The GTS version features unique details, such as satin black alloy wheels, 20 inches at the front and 21 inches at the rear, that enhance its sporty character. At the rear, the 911 GTS looks more enticing than ever. Its active spoiler not only boosts downforce but also adds a touch of elegance when deployed. The seamless LED taillight strip gives a modern flair while preserving Porsche's classic DNA. The 911 GTS badge at the rear signifies exclusivity, complemented by quad black exhaust tips. The flat-six engine roars with authority. The glossy red metallic paint adds an extra layer of sportiness and luxury to the design. The 2025 Porsche 911 GTS isn't just a sports car, it's a masterpiece of design and engineering. Its striking red finish ensures you'll always turn heads wherever you go. So, what do you think of this stunning machine? Let us know in the comments.